So during the MACH week, we will be doing a live stream from Dugard's stand. I'm with Eric Dugard, the Managing Director. Eric, you looking forward to getting back to the show?
Yeah, very much, Paul. It's going to be exciting. I think it's been a long break now before any exhibitions have been on in the UK, so it should be a good turnout.
Okay, now for those that can't visit and want to watch it, we will be on the Dugard stand later in the week. We'll be streaming the technologies that they're showing. Eric, what will some of those machines be? And probably most pertinently, let's start with the one behind you.
Yeah, well, Kitamuras, you know, is our flagship range of machines. Obviously, as size permits, we'll be going in there with a smaller 5-axis machine. But really what we're showing is the capability of this machine for the high-speed 5-axis machining with the robot loading or pallet loading system that are available.
So unmanned running is going to be a part of what you're going to be showing as well. Other models and other brands that you will have on your stand at the show?
We'll have the SMECs, or Samson as other people know it, a range of turning centres, and of course Hanwha sliding head machines will be on the show.
So we will be live streaming from Dugard stand later on in the week. The details will follow on our website. Don't miss it. Thank you very much, Eric.
Yeah, thank you, Paul. See you then.